In this video, we're going to look at working with a patch series. A patch series is 2 or more commits on the same local branch that are being submitted for review together. Each commit is going to get its own review in Gerrit, but there are going to be dependencies set up between them so that they have to merge in order. The main reason you might do this is if you have a really big patch and you want to split it up into more easily reviewable chunks. This is a good thing to do because it makes reviewers' lives easier and then your patch gets merged faster, so everybody is happy. As it happens, I have a patch series that needs some work, so for this demo we're going to do some real live development. Now the command that you're going to use the most when you're dealing with patch series is git rebase-i, and the reason is that that command allows you to go back and edit previous commits in the patch series. So if we take a look at what I've done so far here, you can see I have 1 commit, 2 commits, and that's my series, and then we have the master branch. So let's go ahead and do the rebase, and we need to tell it how far back to go. So since there's 2 commits, we'll go back 2, and I need to edit the first one, and you can see the commands down here, so there are different things that you can do. We're just going to do editing for today. And now you can see we can amend the commit that we stopped at, and if we look, we've stopped at the first one. You can see there's just 1 commit here now. So the file I need to edit is this one, and it was just a dumb mistake like that. So go ahead and make that change. No need to make any changes to the commit message. And now if we take a look at git status, it will actually give us instructions on how to continue. So we've done the git commit -- amend, and now we can go ahead and do the rebase -- continue. And now if we look at the log, we can see both of our commits are back, except that now we fixed the bug. So I can go ahead and git review that then. But git review is going to stop and warn us because we're submitting 2 commits. And the concern that git review has is that we may have made the mistake that we talked about in the first demo video, where instead of going back and amending our commit, we've just pushed another commit on top of it. But since we know what we're doing in Gerrit now, we did not do that, so we're okay. The only time you would ever need to worry about this message is if you weren't expecting to submit multiple commits, and then that might mean that something is going on that you didn't expect and you should probably investigate. But we know what we're doing, so we're going to say yes. And now we can go take a look at what that looks like in the Gerrit UI. Now this is the second commit of the series, and you can see over here on the right there are the related changes. So this is the second one, this is the first one. So the first commit always starts at the bottom and then they go up in the list. And you can see we can switch between them easily just by clicking on that. So that's what a patch series looks like in Gerrit, and that's how you would submit one and make any changes that you need to. Thanks for watching.